Learners. Today we will learn how to use the dashboard and understand the dashboard in Blogger. When you type blogger.com on Gmail on Google, you will end up on this page. Here, if you tap on these three lines, so this is written main menu and this is the dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see the name of the blog. Then you can see posts. Here we have made one post. Stats, that is the statistics, how many posts are there, how many people have seen the post, and the comments. Here the comment section where we can see comments written by the viewers. Earnings, here you can put up the ads. Pages, I will explain the concept of pages in future tutorials. Layout, so it is the layout of the blog. From here you can make changes in the layout. Okay. For using certain features in blogger.com using mobile phone, you should activate the desktop mode. So this is the desktop mode. Okay. So with this desktop mode, we can see the image of this particular blogger exactly similar to what we can see on a desktop. So here we can see there are different items. So these are the basic things which are provided in a blog. We can make changes in all these things. Search in this blog, header, ads, so footer, page body, featured post, blog post, popular post. So let us see our blog. How does it look on a desktop mode? View, sorry. You have to go here and then view blog. In a desktop site mode. So on a desktop site mode, it looks like this. So we were here on the layout. Then there is a theme option. Here you can change the theme. So there are different themes which we can apply on our blog. So out of all these, we will apply this theme. Just tap on it. We have selected this theme. Then we can see here it is written Dynamic Views Magazine. It is the name of the theme. We have to select this, apply. Some gadgets may become visible. Got it. So there are gadgets in this particular theme which will be visible. So we have applied and let us see what it is saying now. This is our theme. Now our theme has become this one. Dynamic Views Magazine. Now let us see how does our blog look with this theme. Go here, view blog. So now we can see our blog is looking little different. So our blog will be seen like this. Earlier it was in different colors and different appearance. Now it looks like this. Let us see. Remove this desktop side option. Here it looks like this. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Back button. So we saw theme, we saw layout, and this is a setting. In this setting, we can see there are multiple options. Here it is the title, description. You can write description like I will write creative learning skills. Then there is option called as favicon. Favicon is the option which is seen usually in the upper border, a small image of whatever favicon you have selected. Blog address you can see here. Permissions. Here you can add another Gmail ID which can also admin your blog. Number of posts which will be shown on your blog. So here it is 7. We can make it 10 posts. So whenever a person comes on the blog, on the front page, he can see 10 posts at a time on the front page. So next post will be seen on the next page. Location, comments, time zone. You can change the time zone from here. So you can select your area time zone. So here I can see India Standard Time Kolkata. So I will select this. Save. So whenever we will publish any post, it will show some time zone. So that will be exactly as per Indian Standard Time. So these are the settings. and this is the dashboard. So today we have learned how to utilize the dashboard. Dashboard is the backside of your blog, and whatever you see on your blog is the front side. So you will make changes from this posts, and layout and other things will be visible on your blog, and gradually we will learn multiple things in this dashboard as well as in these posts. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.